Hello and welcome to Missile Industries ZX10R Trainwreck project, episode 16. Now, this bike hasn't seen much action lately. I do ride it from time to time, but lately I've been finding the lack of luggage storage space on my commuter Widowmaker limiting my options. So now that I'm driving quite a long way for work every day, it's time to think about turning this death trap sports bike into more of a commuter pig. And the first step towards doing that has been to find a Ventura bag rack kit on eBay, which is what I have here. I have no idea if you can still buy these new for ZX10s. You probably can, but I got this all on eBay for under 200 bucks, so that's the way I went. Probably going to have to do some shenanigans to get it all to work, but that's fine. Shenanigans is what I'm about. So the kit consists of a universal 40 litre bag with the Ventura logo on it, the Ventura bike pack system, which obviously goes with the bag, and two model specific mounting arms. I've had a look on the internet to figure out how these fit on my bike, and I have an idea. It's not immediately obvious how this all works. So here we go. What are those? Probably just need to find some nuts and I should be all good. So great news, the Ventura rack is on. Had a couple of false starts with bracket solutions that I wasn't really satisfied with. The best possible outcome I could hope for was for a bracket to drop down from the subframe to the Ventura rack system, and that's what I went with. So it won't just flop down into the road. So there you have it. I just needed to find some longer bolts for the pillion pegs to attach some nuts to in the back. I haven't tightened that one back up yet. And then drop some brackets down from the tail tidy, bolt the Ventura rack to it. Now it's time to see how much stuff I can get into my sack bag thing. Okay, here's a selection of the things that I might be required to bring to work. My transport longs, my Esky, my drink bottle, and obviously be wearing a whole bunch of that crap too, but it's got to go somewhere and I'm not wearing it to work. So let's see how we go. Come on, in you go, small Esky. Not much room for anything else. Let's see if the bottle goes in. Good. I think that'll work. Yes, this will definitely work. So summary time for episode 16 of Missile Industries ZX10R Trainwreck project. I would claim that as a success. I can get my Esky, my drink bottle, my work shirt, pants, which I'll probably be wearing to be perfectly honest, into my Ventura bag. So the Esky was the main concern. Didn't like my chance of putting that in a backpack. But it'll all go into the Ventura bag, so that's good. ZX10R Widowmaker commuting, here we come. Okay, so the helmet, the gloves, the back protector might be a bridge too far for this bag, but all my work gear